welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you another new song from Dominic Fike new album, which is Dominic Fike, new album, which is I forgot the name. Never mind. This song is superstar shit, and this one is actually a lot easy to play on guitar. I've covered most of his song, so make sure to check out my channel. And yeah, I'm just gonna make a playlist soon. Drop me a comment down below if you just want to learn any other song by Dominic Fike, and also subscribe because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. And yeah, I'm just gonna try my level best to reach that and also work hard. Never mind, let's proceed further. No keyboard, as you can see, standard tuning obviously. Have a look at this easy chord shapes firstly. Alright, the first chord is G major, which is 3, 2, open, 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 3. You can even play third fret on the B string, but that's a big option. Then a D major, which is mute, mute, open, second, third, second. Then a C major, which is 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. I repeat, mute on the E string, third fret on the A string, second fret on the D string, open, G string, first fret on the B string, high E string, open. Then E minor, a lot easy, very basic chord, the most easiest chord I think anyone will learn. 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Now let's have a look at the strumming pattern. Basically this song has a lot of guitar over here. If you just want to sing along, here's the thing which you can play. The chord progression will be a G major, then an E minor, then a C major, then a D major. A very common chord progression, obviously used in a lot of pop songs recently. And the strumming pattern which I just want to implement on this chord will be 4 downstroke on each chord. So it will be the strums are actually soft. Don't make them loud. Like in the starting of the song, I told you the song, same thing throughout the whole song, same chord progression. So in the starting, you can just do 1 down on each chord. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you proceed further, you just do 4 down on each chord, but that will be a bit soft. So see, it's still soft. When you see you're very near to the chorus or you to the chorus, you can just be a bit more louder. You come back to the verse, bit softer, and after that again you just increase your pace, and that way you're just gonna maintain the dynamics with the song. So that's almost everything you need for this lesson. Yeah, and make sure to drop in one of these. Again, subscribe because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers, as I told you before. And yeah, I've also got something special for it planned. So I'll see you guys back in the next video. I told a lot of yeah today. I hope to see that. Hope to do all of the yes, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye. Actually, I'm teasing a lot right now. It's my time to sleep. Bye.